Hi, I'm Avery, and this is my January Harry Potter loot crate. It's a month late, and I'm going to be opening the stuff that's in it.
What house are you in? Because each person gets a different loot crate depending on which house they're in. You're in, yep.
I'm in Gryffindor.
All right. Okay, let's see what's in it.
Okay, so. Oh, cool! This is so cool. I don't even know what it is. What is this? I know what it is!
What is it?
Hold on. It's something from the Order of the Phoenix. It looks like something from Sirius Black's house, but I don't know what it is. It's like a family tree.
I think it's a scarf. It's like a family tree?
Huh. Uh-huh. What are these? Another package? Wow. Oh my gosh. It's the Ravenclaw crown pin.
Let's see. Hold it up. Hold it up close. Not too close. Cool.
A tie. You know I already have one, but this one's much better.
Yeah. Watch the scissors. That color is more accurate than the tie we ordered.
It was like purple and
yeah,
yellow, which is a really weird Gryffindor color. Holy cow!
Awesome. Are you going to wear your robe to school on Monday?
No. Wand collection? Wow.
So it's a book with pictures of all the different wands?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome.
Pretty cool.
So what do you think of this month's loot crate?
Cool.
Cool. What's your favorite thing?
I like the wand book, but I think the wand book is my favorite. I know what's in this.
I think it tells you what's in there. Oh, there you go.
Ooh, it is
So
a
what are the
scarf.
items?
So, the first one is Hogwarts house tie. The bond with your Hogwarts houses is one that can never be broken. Show off your pride with this tie, a key component to any Hogwarts uniform, featuring your house colors and mascot. Black family tree tapestries.
Oh, okay.
Shawl scarf. It's a scarf. Trace the roots of the infamous Black with his family tree tapestry shawl that can also be worn as a scarf.
And then what was the little piece of the little jewelry pin?
3. Rowena Ravenclaw's diadem pin. Rowena Ravenclaw lost diadem was one of the most famous wizarding heirlooms. After it was stolen by a powerful dark wizard, the Horcrux series continues with this exclusive pin. 4. Wand book. Receiving a wand is an important step into every witch or wizard's life. In this Loot Crate edition wand book, explore some of the most famous wands of the wizarding world and the wizards they choose.
So you like the crate?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
Say
Bye.
goodbye.
Bye.